PRENEU is a specialized UAV company with proven expertise in aircraft design, development, and avionics integration. From core design and verification to mass production, PRENEU delivers reliable commercial training drones. With AS 9100 and ISO 9001 base quality management, PRENEU ensures consistent product reliability. Before finalizing the mass production system, PRENEU manufactures and verifies prototype aircraft to ensure reliable quality in every production model. Based on military requirements, PRENEU optimized the airframe structure and avionics layout to achieve a more reliable and efficient aircraft design. PRENEU applies a high-strength integrated frame to ensure rigidity and durability, while its safety-locking one-touch battery system improves battery replacement convenience and mounting stability. After design and review, the aircraft is assembled in PRENEU's in-house production environment. Major components, electrical wiring, and fastening points are carefully inspected to ensure high assembly quality. After assembly, the prototype goes through functional and performance verification before mass production. Motor thrust testing confirms the stable output of the propulsion system. Before flight, the power system is inspected to verify the battery and charger performance, as well as their operating condition. The aircraft then undergoes repeated flights at PRENEU's in-house indoor test site, verifying its basic flight performance and reliability. PRENEU's mass production process starts with material receiving. Key materials for commercial training drones are inspected for type, quantity, specifications, and condition upon arrival. They are then identified and managed based on the BOM, ensuring material traceability and a stable foundation for production. PRENEU produces key avionics components, such as the flight controller and video data transmission devices, through its own production and quality control process. Each component is assembled and inspected to meet design standards, ensuring stable connection between the aircraft and the controller. Once verified, avionics components and production materials are transferred to the mass production site according to the production plan. Palletized materials are unloaded into the storage warehouse, where they are identified and managed by item before being supplied to production. The aircraft frame is manufactured using injection-based production infrastructure for mass production readiness. Through standardized processes, including raw material input, molding, and part removal, PRENEU ensures consistent frame quality and production stability. Before entering mass production, all parts undergo quality inspection at the receiving stage. The frame is inspected by X-ray to precisely verify its internal molding quality. Avionics and electrical components go through functional and visual checks, while mechanical parts are inspected for dimensions and appearance. Finished product mass production is managed through the MES system, ensuring full production history control. Each aircraft is assigned a QR code to track its manufacturing history and process status. Assembly is carried out on a standardized production line to ensure consistent production quality. After assembly, final quality is verified through visual inspection, indoor operation checks of the aircraft and controller, and outdoor flight testing. After final inspection, the finished drones are packed in dedicated storage boxes and loaded onto vehicles by pallet for shipment to PRENEU. Once received, PRENEU conducts a final confirmation and proceeds with delivery preparation. After final confirmation, the finished product is packed into dedicated storage boxes. The aircraft and controller are stored separately from the battery and charger, completing delivery preparation for safe storage and transport. With systematic mass production capabilities, PRENEU is committed to delivering a stable and reliable supply.